Philadelphia, we are at the 2018 Automation Fair event, and it's really exciting because it's where the top companies in industrial automation are here showing off their products. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor with the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. One of those top companies is Hubbell, and I'm here talking with Mike. So Mike, for people who might not know about Hubbell, tell me your title and what Hubbell does.
So my name is Mike Williams. I'm an industrial product manager for Hubbell, and Hubbell manufactures electrical plugs and connectors that support residential, commercial, and industrial vertical markets.
Okay, and there's a lot of traffic in your booth. We had to figure out where to shoot this video. So what are they excited about? What are you highlighting?
What we're highlighting this year is a line of intelligent wiring devices where we've embedded technology into the housings of our existing devices that will wirelessly communicate key information for customers such as voltage, currents, temperature, power. And what that does is acts as a preventive maintenance tool for customers, and they have access to critical information for the electrical connectors that are powering their piece of equipment.
That's really important. Now there's so much more to learn, so go to the URL on the screen that you see and find out how Hubbell can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal. I'll see you next time.